Hi, this video of mine is going to be a motivational and inspirational video because the motivation and inspiration that I have got myself to be in this profession, I'm going to share this with you all. From the initial days when I was there in my law college, I was actually unaware of the daily challenges that I'm going to face in my future, and also the balance that I have to maintain with my domestic chores and my legal profession. Hope you all can relate with me because every profession has its own demands and are also very much challenging. But this legal profession is something where you have to establish yourself. You have to have a good senior. You have to have lot of books. You need to learn a lot, and then only you can help somebody who will come to you for any help. So regarding this, we at times we get demotivated, we get disheartened when we get less paid, and we also get demotivated at times when there are huge problem in our domestic life. But when we, with patience and with perseverance and consistency, we keep maintaining our profession and our domestic life, slowly things become easier, because with experience we learn how to become patient, and we become motivated, and our goals become perfect as we slowly uh, grow in our profession. So recently, we have seen that the Women's Association, Lawyers Association of the Supreme Court, they had urged they had filed an application where they wanted that women should also be elevated to the higher judiciary. The meritorious women who are here in this profession, legal profession, they should be elevated to the higher judiciary. So later on, we have seen that this our honorable our Supreme Court has got three women new judges, so we are very much proud of them. And now at present there are four lady judges who are there in the honorable Supreme Court, and we have other lady judges in the various high courts of India. Here what we see that this whole thing, that the elevation of the women as judges of the honorable Supreme Court has actually inspired many lady lawyers to stick to this profession. So we have to be hopeful in near future that many lady lawyers will be judges of the honorable Supreme Court and different high courts. And with this, I also want to praise all the lady lawyers who are working with a balance with their domestic chores and also their legal profession, because it's a very tough for any female to maintain these two balance, because the profession has its own demands and the family too has its own demands. But at a certain point of time, women need to take care of the children and the family, the aged parents, and many things do come into their day-to-day life. But they will also have to take care of all the situations that they need to handle regarding their clients. They have to stay updated, so it's a multi-challenging and multitasking job. Yes, male lawyers also are very much hardworking, and those who have reached to certain heights, obviously they need not need any other appraisal, because they themselves have proved that they have reached to certain heights. Congratulations to them too. And women advocates, they need special actually acknowledgement from their family to stick to this profession, because this profession will not initially pay you much, because but now there are many law firms where you can join. You are going to get paid on the very first day itself. But if you are an individual practitioner, you need to have a very strong set of mind, where you are going to earn yourself and you are going to stand on your own foothold. But to have a very good senior, to learn from everybody, even from the opponent, is also a thing which is very much commendable in this legal profession. Yes, we learn from our opponents too, opponent advocates. So we learn laws, whatever we get on our way, we keep learning. So this is what is a life of an advocate, and especially a lady advocate needs special encouragement from their family and also from the society. So then the society will get a neutral development. So then only we will be able to do natural justice. So with this, I'm going to end my video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and share these videos with your family and friends. Thank you very much.